What's up, lane splitters? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the frame. So we're going to remove the tank, the rear fender, the bars, and then I'm going to chop the stock forward controls because I'm planning to go mid pegs, and I'm going to chop this off right here and clean up the frame. Let's get to it. Just finished cutting and shaving. Got the risers on. These risers I got from the swap meet for 10 bucks. And then these bars, 10 bucks as well. So I'm trying to have a budget for my build. I don't want to spend over $1,500 in parts. Day 2 of the build. Welcome back, guys. So yesterday we shaved down the frame, forward controls, and then I mocked up the headlight. And this is the iconic Rust Daddy tank that I convinced Young to sell to me. Originally he didn't want to sell it. He was going to use it for his next build, but I told him I wanted to keep it within lane split, so I convinced him to sell to me. This is the first ever peanut tank that he ran. The reason I like this tank is because, as you can see there's a tunnel right here. It sits on top of the frame. I mean, it sits over the frame, whereas my old tank, it sits on top. I actually like this a lot better. So as you know, my first bike was called Rusty, and then my second one, the blue one, is called Dusty. And so for this one I named him Krusty with a K. You know what I'm saying? So for today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shave this down, cut it off, shave it down on both sides, and then I'm gonna make a better headlight mount. And then my fender should come in today, and we'll see if it can mock it up. And then my sissy bars are being made right now by Bill. Next, we're gonna be working on the mid pegs. This was rusty mid pegs, and as you can see, I made these. I made it using the flux core welder that I had. So the welds were pretty shitty. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Cut all these off right here, and then weld new taps on. Got the mids mounted. Next, we're gonna be welding a tab for the foot pegs, and then clutch. Same with over here. Make a tab, and then the rear brake. Next, we're gonna be working on the headlight bracket. This is the one that came with the bike. I don't really like it because it's too thin, and I don't really like the design. So I'm gonna make a new one. So I already cut out the base. I'm gonna round this off, shave it, make it round on both ends. And then I have this sway bar from my old Miata that I no longer need. So I'm gonna chop this off right here and then weld to it. So fender just came in. Got this from Throttle Edition. I'm planning to put a back seat on top. Today we're going to be patching up this hole with a sheet metal. Okay, today we're going to be removing the rotor and get the wheel ready for paint. Next, we're going to remove the rear wheel. Just finished painting these wheels. Took forever. The paint coat is called Super Dark Black. We got special guest. This is Ike Sandwiches owner.
Fuck you. I'm trying to tan my head. You see the tan? I'm trying to tan on my head.